Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer your crypto from Robinhood to your Tangem wallet. The process is simple, and I'll walk you through each step so you can move your assets safely. First, open your Robinhood app and find the specific crypto asset you want to transfer. Tap on it to view all the details and available options. Next, look for the Send option. This is what allows you to move your crypto out of Robinhood and into another wallet. Now, open your Tangem app and get your receiving wallet address. You can either copy the address or scan the QR code directly from the app. Go back to Robinhood, paste the Tangem wallet address into the Send field, and then enter the amount you want to transfer. You can type it in as a dollar amount or in crypto units. Before you confirm, review every detail carefully: the asset, amount, and wallet address. It's always a good idea to start by sending a small test amount first to make sure everything works properly. Once the test is successful, you can send the full amount to your Tangem wallet. And that's it! You've successfully transferred your crypto from Robinhood to Tangem. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy crypto tutorials.